how to remove and replace the broken ice tray on the Liebherr freezer. Okay, to begin, we remove the side clip here. You can just push it back and push one on the left and the right. This will allow to remove that clip locking in the glass. Then we insert the screwdriver. Now you can see here, if you push it to the side, that will release the locking clip. So insert the screwdrivers and then push it to the side to unlock it. Here we will remove the magnet sensor. So pull it out. There is a electrical wire that we need to disconnect. That is the clip I'm talking about there just then. Okay, so once you remove that sensor, you can see the ice tray will sag a little bit, and that's fine. We can just leave it hanging at the bottom. This will allow us to slowly remove the glass shelf. So here, lift up the glass shelf and pull it out. This will give us more space to work on the auto ice maker. Okay, next I'm going to disconnect the magnet sensor and we pull it out. Next on the side here, there is also a clip that we need to remove. So push it in, and then that will allow us to release the top tray. So using a screwdriver, push it to the side, and then we pull the bottom tray out like that. Next, if I turn it around, you can see the ice tray at the bottom. Unfortunately, this ice tray is broken, so we need to replace it. Next, I'm going to remove this electrical connector. So using a small screwdriver, you can pry out the connection. Okay, so pry out the connector right there and disconnect the cable. Next, you need to remove the screws on the side here. You don't have to remove it all the way. And then we're going to remove this clip on the water dispenser.